Look what I found on my grape vine. Let me zoom in so you can see. This is green darner, one of the largest dragonflies. Look how pretty it is. This is a female green darner. And it's big. Look at the leaf size. You know how grape leaves, how large they are? Like almost like my hand, even larger. And look at this thing. It's almost as big as some of those large grape leaves. Pretty thing. I can't believe she's not afraid of me. I mean, I'm so close, right by her, and she's not moving. Poor thing is probably terrified of me. Looks like she decided to take a nap because she's not moving. The wind is moving her wings, but she herself is frozen still. What's happening, buddy? But I saw her flying in here, so she's not dead. I mean, how more close do you want me to get to you before you fly away? You're not afraid of me, baby? My lilac is about to bloom. I'm so excited. Look how pretty it is, covered in buds. I started these pansies in February indoors from seed. Then I transplanted them here when I was planting my plum tree. I think it was the end of April. And now in May they are blooming. Look how pretty they are. Different colors, different designs. I like that one the most. It's so unique. Such a pretty color. And this one is nice too. I love them. But next year I'll have to start them in January or even in December if I want early blooms. First pods are forming on my broad beans, also known as fava beans. Look, that's a pod, and that's a pod, and that's another one. Yay, finally I'm going to have some broad beans. So excited. Not all brassica family is blooming with yellow flowers. So far, I've noticed that kailan, which is Chinese broccoli, it is blooming with white flowers, and they are so pretty. They have 4 petals. Look at them. So cute. And the blooms are much larger than of the other brassica family. They are big. So this is how edible chrysanthemum blooms, also known as chop suey greens or shangiku. It has these pretty daisy-like flowers that have an ombre coloring to the petals. It starts with yellow, darker yellow from the middle, and then it gets lighter and lighter. Beautiful. I love it. Here's another one. So pretty.